I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs mostly in the 60s this afternoon, we'll see temperatures warm up to around 70 tomorrow just ahead of a cold front. Increased winds and lower humidity may result in some elevated to near critical fire weather concerns. The cold front acting as a trigger for some rain and mostly non-severe thunderstorms late tomorrow through tomorrow night. Few of those storms may produce some gusty winds. While widespread rain and thunderstorms are expected, most of the rain amounts likely to range on the light side from a trace to a half inch. A few more showers may occur Friday on the backside of low pressure. After highs in the 50s Friday, we'll see seasonal highs in the 60s to the low 70s return for the weekend through Tuesday. Stiff northwest winds and dry air dropping south for the weekend should provide the potential for critical fire weather conditions. In the long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas temperatures start out slightly cooler than normal the early half of next week before warmer than normal temperatures take hold for late next week through May 9th. The early half of next week is drier than normal for Nebraska and Kansas. Late next week through May 9th, Nebraska and Kansas rainfall indicated to be near normal to slightly above normal. Soil temperatures 4 inches down at 7 this morning in the low to mid 40s for central and western Nebraska. Soil temperatures in the upper 40s to around 50 were found in far southeast Nebraska and along the Kansas border on into Kansas. Key weather factors affecting the markets include snow melting slowly in the northern plains, cold air lingering in the Corn Belt, and rain for western areas of the southern plains. Significant rainfall is unfolding across eastern Colorado, western Kansas, northern Texas, and much of Oklahoma, greatly benefiting immature winter grains and possibly encouraging the planting of summer crops. Subsoil moisture shortages, though, are likely to persist in the plains. Drought-ravaged pastures of the southern plains are in need of additional rain. Pastures are rated 61% very poor to poor in Oklahoma, along with 56% very poor to poor in Texas. As the week progresses, rain moves into the southern and eastern U.S., where 5-day rain totals could reach about 1 to 3 inches. Farther north, chilly air remains entrenched. On the plains, weekend freezes should occur as far south as eastern Colorado and western Kansas. For the northern plains, the colder temperatures are slowing the melt of the snowpack, which is easing flooding concerns across the Red River, but also is limiting the field work and planting. Across the Midwest, the colder air and frost today and tomorrow may cause damage to more developed wheat and emergent corn and soybeans. Cooler temperatures lingering in the Midwest through early May will continue unfavorable conditions for planting and be supportive of more frost. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.